VRIZE's point of view on the factory of the future. We believe manufacturing is moving towards seamless integration of the physical and digital worlds to enable fast integration, feedback, and control loops throughout distributed manufacturing infrastructures. In the factory of the future, cloud computing and IoT enable individual plants to communicate with other factory sites, merging industrial infrastructures that are already in place. The result is a complex ecosystem of self-regulating machines and sites able to customize output, optimally allocate resources, and offer a seamless interface between the physical and virtual worlds of construction, assembly, and production. At the core of this vision are four fundamental shifts: an open value chain, flexible production, human-centered manufacturing, and innovative business models. That's why VRIZE, in partnership with Microsoft, offers the Azure IoT Suite Connected Factory solution, a pre-configured solution that enables you to connect your existing machines to a secure cloud without disrupting production. With Connected Factory, you can achieve end-to-end visibility into your production and gain insight on how it can be transformed. Contact us today to discuss what this could mean for your business.